Hi everyone, my name is Matt and I'm working in the product team at Zenphi. Today I'm going to explain to you some of the new features that we have added to Zenphi, mainly in regards to integration that we provide with HubSpot. So the scenario is that we have a list of contacts on HubSpot, as you can see here, and some are assigned and unassigned to people. So as you can see, this one is already assigned to someone, however, these 5 other contacts are unassigned. And what we want to do is update this Google Sheets document with the contacts that are unassigned and then email this to a relevant team so they can action this accordingly. Going to Zenphi, the first thing that I did is drag a query records action, which I first had to set up the connection to connect it to my HubSpot. And then the object type is the contacts. The condition has one clause, which is the contact owner's property from HubSpot has no property, therefore, which means it's null. And the fields that I've returned is the first name, the last name, the email, and the creation date of those contacts. Then I dragged a current date action to get the current date, and I formatted this date time to be in this format. Then I dragged a get information action, which got all of the details and information of that Google Sheets document. Following this, I dragged an for each loop, which went through each of those unassigned contacts and added a row to that Google Sheets document. So the for each, as you can see here, it goes through the collection of the query records and it adds a row to that Google Sheets document. And what I can do here, I can click on this load columns to actually pull all of the header names, date, full name, and so we can see it in Zenphi. So the date is going to be the date time, which is the format date time, the result. The column for the full name is going to be the first name, and then I put a space, and then the last name. The email is going to be the email from that contact, and the last is going to be the creation date. And finally, what I did, I sent an email to myself, as you can see here, and I said we have updated the unassigned contacts Google Sheets document, and you can now view that document if you want to see the unassigned contacts. So let's actually run this flow, which is actually manually based on a manual trigger right now. However, we can change this to be triggered to be maybe updated on a timely basis, let's say on a daily, every morning at let's say 9 a.m. Now, once I run it, we can go to recent runs. We can see an instance of this flow is executing. If we go to the Sheets document, we can hopefully see that soon the records from the HubSpot are being added to the Google Sheets document. If we refresh this flow, we can see right now it's just adding the rows. I think we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 unassigned contacts. So we should expect 5 different rows to be added, as you can see here, to the Google Sheets document. And then going to my email, we can see a new email has come through, which is saying that we have updated that Google Sheets document, and we can access it by clicking here. So hopefully I've explained to you how easy it is to just automate one of your business processes, which is pulling all of the unassigned contacts from HubSpot and then sending a relevant email to a specific team to tell them that they can check this document to see all of the unassigned contacts. Thank you for listening.